we will learn what is chamfer. Chamfer is actually tapering off any corner. So what do you do to taper a corner? We use chamfer command. And where to find this chamfer command? In Home tab and Modify panel, we see chamfer tool here. If you don't see chamfer here, you will be seeing fillet or blend curve. So pull it down and you can find chamfer here. If you don't remember where to find chamfer, don't you worry. You just type CH and it will show up automatically. Let's try CH and now you see chamfer on the top in the list. So shortcut is CHA. That is enough for chamfer. And now I can hit enter or spacebar. When I hit spacebar, notice over here, it's asking for the first line to select. But we have to use any option from here first. So usually we go with the distance option. So we can use angle or this multiple as well. We have these individual lines. This is not a polyline. Polyline is a connected line. So if we have polyline, we can go with this option. So but right now I will click distance. You can just click with the mouse over here, or you can just hit D on the keyboard like I did and hit spacebar. So now it's asking for the chamfer distance. So previously we used unit 4. So if I want different value, I can type over here, or if I don't want different value, I just want to use this 4 unit, I can hit spacebar. So I'm just hitting spacebar without entering any value. So it took first value as a 4 and now it's asking to specify second chamfer distance. So again I can type 4, but I don't need to type 4 because we already got 4 by default because it was previously used. So if I have different value, I can type here 8, double of that value. So second line 8, I will hit spacebar. Now it's asking to select the first line. So remember, the first distance will be first line. If I want this line to be first, for which we give 4 distance, I will click this one. The other line will get distance 8 for the chamfer. So if I click this one first, this line will get chamfer distance 4 units, and second line will be this one, and this line will get chamfer distance of 8 units. So let's make this line first line, and this will get 4 chamfer distance. I click this one here, and now I'm going to click on this one here. See, this is second line, and for second line we give distance 8 units. I click over here and we got this chamfer. If we have a rectangle, we can do same, but over here I will show you a multiple command. So again I will type CHA, enter. I got chamfer. Now it's asking me to select the first line or some option from here. So I will select distance, click over here, and I will give a value of 5 for the first line and 5 again for the second chamfer distance. This time I will click multiple. So I can click over here, or I can type M from the keyboard and hit spacebar. So this command is retained by the AutoCAD and it will keep on applying as I keep on selecting first line, second line, first line, second line. Let's see. So let's say this is first line. We have 5 distance, so it doesn't matter which line we select. They both will get equal chamfer distance. So I'm clicking this one first and then this one second. Now still I am in the command because I pressed multiple. So now I can select this line and I can select this line. I'm still in command. I can select this line and I can select this line. I can select this line and I can select this line. So this is how I got multiple chamfer. Now let's learn what is trim in chamfer command. So first of all, I will execute chamfer CHA spacebar. I'm in chamfer command. Now I will use this trim. Let's click over here, or I can just the letter T from the keyboard, T, and hit enter. Now I got two options to select, trim or no trim. If I want to keep this corner as well as I want chamfer, I want to keep both, then I will select no trim. So I can click over here. Let's click here or just hit spacebar. It will not trim when I give a distance or apply this angle. So let's try this angle this time. I will click on this angle with mouse. Now it's asking the distance of chamfer for the first line. So let's make it 20. I will type 20 spacebar, and now it's asking specify angle from the first line. I will give a value, let's say 75 spacebar. Now it's asking select the first line. So I will select this line as a first line. And then it's asking me to select the second line. I will select this second line. Now you see the corner is still there. It didn't get trimmed. Now let me show you the distance from here to here. See, it is 20 units. And let's measure the angle. Come over here, linear, angular, and we have to select two lines, this line and this line. You see, we got angle of 75. So this is how we use the angle option to make a chamfer. So we got this chamfer, we didn't get this trimmed, we still have our corner. Hopefully that was helpful and you learned chamfer in detail. Please like, subscribe and keep sharing these videos. Take care of yourself. See you in next video.